How to fix computer management not opening in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, to list all user accounts on the system, type the following command and press Enter. This will display a list of all user accounts on your computer. Make a note of the username you want to change. In the command prompt, type the following command, replacing with the name of the user account you want to promote. To confirm the account has been added to the administrator group, use the following command. If that didn't work, System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.